The first run. First run looks really good. I'm happy with that. We just got the pump on there. I'm gonna try dirt pretty quick. That looks pretty good. The little reverse riffle smoothens it out for the aggressive matting up top. And it stays pretty darn aggressive through this part over the talon. And then it smooths out really nice for the last 1.5 feet for the mother load, washer mother load. See, if this matting wasn't here, it's a little faster. You could see the whole thing speed up a little or slow down when I put that on now. Slows it down just perfectly. And you see my screw holes leak a little. Not that it matters, but I think I would like to fix that. This is just with your basic wash. It's really good. 3700 GPH pump, Johnson pump. And without dirt in there, everything is falling down into the perfect spot. Nothing coming over the back. It's just falling down real nicely right onto my little miner's moss pillow there. And the clay claw, I thought it was going to splash all over, but it actually just changes the flow a little bit, changes the spray. I actually like that. Yeah. Looking pretty good. Yeah, so there might be a little dirty in here. I'll have to clean the garage tomorrow. No, it's supposed to fall out.
Oh, okay.
That's the whole idea. But I can see though that this here I got there for purpose. So it's almost like this needs to even go up higher. That's kind of as high as I got. Maybe it's like this. Yeah, that's good. See how the ripples end up anyway. Probably good for now. I'll play around more tomorrow. I just wanted to give it a little test. Yeah, I'll put it off and see what the ripples are doing. Yeah, so this was our first run with dirt in it. And yeah, the velocity wasn't near high enough. I didn't realize it at the time, but I checked it with my protractor later, I think the next morning, and you'll see in the next clip. I think I had it at 6% for this run, and I moved it to around 9.5%, which seemed to just work a lot better. From the debris clearing out of the riffles to the way the water flows underneath the reverse ramp riffle without bubbles, and yeah, just stuff like that. And you know, these things will work much better when you can fine tune them and get them to work properly. I'm sure once I start running the Honda gas engine on here, it'll have to have a different tune. Just so I remember, I've got this set up at 9.4 degrees. Yesterday, well, the first day I tried it, it wasn't clearing. I wasn't that happy the way it was clearing. And, you know, it all looked good, but obviously, so I checked it and it was only like 6.2 or 6.4 degrees up in there on the slope. So we were getting a lot of things that were just building up real fast in there. So it appeared to get a lot better once I switched this. So we're going to give it a shot. See what comes through. I might even throw in some bits of painted lead, some fake gold. See how it handles that. Already showed the gold on another thing. I'm going to put not all of that, but some of that in. I'll put some of that in there. Fire it up and maybe I'll back there. Sure.
Should be.
Normally, yeah. Well, there's one there.
Oh, well, that is one. Okay.
Yep, and there's a heavy there.
Okay.
Well, that's it for testing this 3700 GPH pump. Stay tuned, it'll be interesting when I get that Honda GX15 with the Keen P90 on it. That'll certainly put out a lot more water than this thing.